Welcome to Sim Code. If you're ready for more coding adventures, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Imagine you are trying to understand how different variables relate to each other in a dataset. A heat map is a powerful visual tool that shows these relationships using colors. In Python, we can use libraries like seaborn and matplotlib to create heat maps from correlation matrices, which tell us how strongly two variables are correlated. For example, a value close to 1 means two variables are highly positively correlated, and a value close to -1 means they are inversely related. In our example, we generated random data, calculated its correlation, and visualized it using a heat map, where each cell's color represents the strength and direction of the relationship. By using clear colors, like blue for negative and red for positive correlations, the heat map helps us quickly identify patterns and correlations in data. Import necessary libraries. This is for creating numerical arrays or matrices. We will use this for handling datasets, like data frame. Seaborn is the tool we will use to create the heat map. Matplotlib is needed to show the heat map image. Generate some example data. Let's create a random correlation matrix using number_py. A correlation matrix usually contains values between -1 and 1, where 1 means perfectly correlated, and -1 means inversely correlated. For this example, we will simulate data for 5 features. Creates a 5 by 5 matrix of random values between 0 and 1. We will convert it into a pandas data frame for better readability. Compute a correlation matrix. Even though we created random data, correlation matrices are used often to see the relationship between variables. Calculate pairwise correlations between columns of data frame. Create the heat map using seaborn. Now we are going to plot the heat map with seaborn. It automatically uses color gradients. Specify the figure size, width, height of the plot. Data to plot, correlation matrix. Annotate cells with the numeric value. Choose a color palette. Cool-warm is a nice diverging one. Set thickness of lines that divide cells. Color of the lines dividing cells. Label for the color bar. Show the heat map. Display the heat map. Now run our code. Thanks for being with us today. Like and subscribe for more updates.